Is your Samsung Galaxy phone acting strangely after changing a few settings? Maybe your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, Bluetooth isn't working properly, or certain system features aren't behaving as expected. Instead of performing a factory reset, you can simply reset all settings. This option restores your device's system preferences to their default values without deleting your photos, apps, contacts, or other personal data. Follow these simple steps to complete the process safely. Begin by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy phone and opening the Settings app. You can access it from your home screen, app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Next, scroll through the Settings menu until you find General Management, then tap it to open additional device management options. On the next screen, scroll down and select Reset. Samsung provides several reset options here, so make sure you choose Reset All Settings. This option restores your system settings without removing your personal files. A confirmation page will appear explaining what will be reset: your Wi-Fi preferences, Bluetooth connections, sound settings, display settings, accessibility options, and other system configurations will return to their default values, while your apps and personal data remain untouched. Tap the blue Reset Settings button. If your device is protected with a PIN, password, or pattern, enter it when prompted to verify your identity. After authentication, tap Reset once again to confirm your decision. Your Samsung Galaxy device will restart automatically and begin restoring all system settings. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Once the phone finishes restarting, you may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, pair Bluetooth accessories again, and reapply any customized settings you previously used. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy has now successfully reset all system settings without deleting your personal information. If you are experiencing software-related issues, this quick troubleshooting method can often resolve them and help your device run more smoothly.